Hello and welcome to Study with Sudhir. This is indeed a very proud moment. The ICSE and ISC results are out, and with me is Rohan from Patna. And you need to hear from him what's his best of five score. Rohan, welcome to Study with Sudhir. Tell our viewers
Thank
what
you,
is
sir.
your best of five score.
My best of five score is 496 on 500, 9.2%.
99.2%. So what do you eat to get this kind of a high percentage?
Eat.
I mean, क्या खाते हो कि इतने सारे मार्क्स लेके आए हो?
कुछ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही बस मेहनत करते चले गए, ज्यादा कुछ सोचा नहीं इधर उधर के बारे में, बस।
अपने स्कूल में टॉपर रहो. Your school is St. Xavier's High School, Patna, right?
Yes sir, yes sir.
तो अपने स्कूल के टॉपर रहे हो हमेशा?
No, the start was very rough, and all my parents' hard work that I am here now. And slowly but steadily, I climbed to the top of the mountain, as we call it in English. And yes, I'm here now.
तो mountain तो climb कर लिया है, and I'm sure you'll climb many more mountains. So tell me, I mean, for those who are, let me first tell them about your marks. Your marks in English language is 94, literature is 99, Hindi is 100, history civics is 99, geography is 100, mathematics is 99, physics is 100, chemistry is 98, biology is 100, and computer applications, the optional subject, is also 100.
Yes sir.
Did it kind of meet your expectations? उम्मीद थी कितने मार्क्स आएंगे?
Sir, it actually exceeded my expectations, but anyways, I was hoping for a 97.
Okay, so you're expecting a 97 and you got a 99 plus. So for students who are listening, who are probably of the 2021 batch, what would you tell them? What does it take to score a 99 plus percentage? Simple tips.
Honestly speaking, sir, the main thing that it takes to score a good percentage in any exam, not just board exams, is that you should not take the pressure of doing so. Just let everything be in flow. Don't care about what others, and just do your work sincerely, honestly. No extra hours, no less sleep, nothing like that required. Keep it simple.
Right. Keep it simple. In fact, that's a very good mantra to have. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. So how many hours would you really put in on an average, say, till the month of December, and how much did you increase it by in the month of January, February?
So till December, not much. Like, I had school to attend as well.
Yes.
So around 2 to 3 hours, and we had lots of homework to do. So I only got 2 to 3 hours of self-study each day, which I usually spent in my mornings. And after December, when our pre-boards were over by, I think, 15th of January, I did nothing. I spent 6 to 7 hours solving previous year questions only. It was my parents' suggestion only.
Okay.
That you should take previous year's tests and nothing else. I did not study from the books. Just kept revising, just skimming through the topics, just previous those board question papers, and that really helped a lot.
What has been the reaction from your friends?
Reaction from my friends that party तो बनती है.
So अभी लॉकडाउन में पार्टी कैसे होगी?
Virtual party.
ये अच्छा है. virtual party. But tell me, I mean, in journalism we are always told never ask a person कि आपको कैसा लगता है. So I'm not going to ask you आपको कैसा लगता है, but you have topped in Patna city. So it obviously must be feeling very good to say that, okay, the city that I live in, I'm number one in the city. Isn't that true?
Yes, sir. It feels good.
Was it unbelievable? Did you have to pinch yourself to, make yourself believe that it is actually true?
No, nothing like that. Nothing like that, sir. I knew I would do well. Just I exceeded my expectations.
Great.
but I was knowing from the get-go that I would do well.
And this is your study space, what I can see behind you, right? This is where you study.
Yes, sir. This is like a temple for me. My
Absolutely.
father and mother, my parents' decision. It was my parents' decision to get this table built, and they have given me a separate room where I can play, study, play games, do mobile chat, anything I can want to.
Mhm.
And I sleep here as well with my sister sometimes, and alone sometimes, and just it's kind of like the mini house for me, and this is a mini temple for me where where I spend my study hours.
No, good that you're a very focused student. That's something very heartening to note. See, the last 3 months, I mean, your exams got suspended on the 19th of March, and nobody knew what would happen between then and the month of June when they finally got cancelled. How did you kind of cope with that, those months of uncertainty? What did you do?
Um, First of all, I kept hearing the news whenever it came, thanks to you, sir. And then about handling the pressure and the uncertainty, I didn't do much. I started my 11th class preparations, and
Hmm.
I'm like 10 to 15% done with my 11th class syllabus.
Very good. Your what class is your younger sister in?
Class 6th, Kamal
Can you
High
get,
School, Patna.
can you get her into the frame?
Yes, yes, please come.
And remove your mic also so that she can hear me.
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग सर. गुड इवनिंग. आपका नाम क्या है?
Ritika Yadav.
तो बड़ा भाई इतने ज्यादा मार्क, पूरा बकेट भर के मार्क्स लेके आए, तो कैसा लगता है फिर बहन को? डज ही बिकम ए रोल मॉडल? आई कांट हियर यू. यू हैव टू स्पीक अ लिटिल लाउडर.
From the starting, he has been my role model.
Okay, so he's your role model. Get your mother and father in. I want to talk to them also briefly on how they feel.
Yes, sir.
Many congratulations to both of you. I'm sure, of course, you are on top of the world in Patna. So, and as you said, the phone calls haven't stopped coming. But of course, he gives a lot of the credit for his success to you. But what kind of a student has he always been?
शुरू से अच्छा रहा है सर. शुरू से अच्छा रहा है. और
अगर कुछ टारगेट कर लिया है तो फिर अचीव करना है.
ये इसका सबसे खास बात ये है ना कि अगर इसने कुछ सोचा है कि मुझे ये करना है, तो वो किसी भी एक्सटेंट पे जाके ये करता है.
Okay. I mean, what do you plan to do, Rohan? I mean, what are you going to do in 11th and 12th and subsequent years? What's your plan?
I'm preparing for my joint entrance exam that will be held in 2022, and
Okay.
For now that's the only plan. I haven't
Okay.
planned any further.
So, ma'am, जो
एक्चुअली ना
yes, sir.
एक्चुअली ये बहुत ज्यादा प्लान लेके चलता नहीं है. बस ये है कि हम लोगों ने भी यही बताया कि जो तुम कर रहे हो उसको ऑनेस्टली करो.
Correct.
और अभी का एफर्ट अगर ऑनेस्टली दोगे तो आगे भी अच्छा.
ओके. सो मैम, जो ये मन में जो लड्डू फूट रहे हैं, तो एक्चुअल लड्डू भी खिला रहे हैं नहीं लोगों को?
अभी लॉकडाउन में सारा चीज बंद है सर.
अच्छा, इसकी बदमाशी देखिए सर. इस लड़के की बदमाशी देखिए. मार्क्स अच्छा है, सबसे पहले माँ से जाके गला मिला.
Okay, so I can see that happening, but he gives the credit to both of you for kind of supporting him all the way. So it's great to see you. I mean, very delighted that someone who is so grounded, and also a moment of pride for us, someone who's associated with study with Sudhir, has done so well, incredibly well. So many congratulations, and I do hope that you continue to scale more mountains. Don't think that this is Mount Everest. ये छोटा सा mountain है. अभी और भी बहुत सारे पहाड़ चढ़ने हैं तुमको, right?
लेकिन सर इस पे मैं एक बात बोलूंगा. अब इस पे मैं एक बात बोलूंगा. अभी तो मुट्ठी भर जमीन आपी है. अभी तो सारा आसमां बाकी है.
बिल्कुल. The entire sky is waiting for him to scale new heights. Many congratulations. It's very nice to see the beaming faces of the parents. Actually, the parents are the more important and in fact most important elements in any student's success. So many congratulations to both of you and to you, Rohan, also.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.